Working in small sections when fitting floor tiles in a laundry room prevents overwhelm and keeps the thinset workable so beginners get neat, level results. Start by planning the room in easily manageable zones that you can finish within the working time of your thinset. Measure each zone and mark reference lines so your first tile is square to the room and cuts are predictable. Mix mortar in small batches sized to match how long you can trowel and set tile, usually a volume you can use in about 30 to 40 minutes depending on ambient temperature. Apply mortar only to the area you can tile in that time and comb it with consistent trowel ridges to ensure full coverage and correct bed thickness. Cut tiles for edges and obstacles section by section rather than all at once to avoid mistakes and wasted material when adjustments are needed. Use spacers and check level frequently with a straight edge to catch lippage early instead of trying to fix wide areas later. Common mistakes include letting the thinset skin over, then trying to press tiles into it, which causes poor adhesion and hollow spots, so keep batches small and discard any mortar that develops a skin. Another is attempting to cut all tiles up front, which can lead to miscuts when layout changes, so cut only for the current section and dry fit pieces before committing. A third is starting without a clear reference line, which creates cumulative alignment errors, so snap chalk lines and recheck them as you progress to keep rows straight and grout joints consistent. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors and to let contractors find work related to projects like laundry room tiling. We also host an active discussion community where users share tips, ask questions, and post project photos so everyone can learn practical sectional workflow techniques together.